Hey everybody, sorry it's been so long since my last automations video, but I have a new one for you today, and it's with TextExpander and the top 5 expansions that I think everybody should have. So before we get started, do me a favor and like and subscribe to this video and share it with those who might find it useful. But without further ado, let's get on with the top 5 expansions that I think everybody should have when using TextExpander. Okay, the first is an ending greeting for an email. So I can do something like this using my nickname, AB exclamation point, and it gives you a best AB, and I use that for quick ending greetings to my emails. The second one I have is a double tapping I to get a capital I. Since I is almost always capitalized when writing, I changed that using a text expansion of the letter I using a double tap for I, and it gives you a capitalized I. That's the second one. The third is a block mail address. So here's what I have is $, then we go V mail, and it gives you this expansion. And obviously this isn't my name or address, but it's important to have your address and things you type over and over in an expansion like this. This is helpful when sending directions or writing your address quickly. The fourth expansion is a variation on this, and it's just this line here of your street address, which is helpful when filling out forms. So this is what I have. I have the semicolon V mail, and it gives you the same thing. And this is helpful when writing your address into a form. And that's number 4. And number 5, and the last one, is a template email telling somebody that you received their email and will respond shortly. Here's what I have for that. $V Pro. And here I have, you have one line, so you can type in the name. So I'm gonna put Don, for example. And then I have here a math expansion. So I add 5 days and it gives you the day. Alright, so I would hit expand, gives you, hi Don, thank you for reaching out. I've received your message and we'll get back to you by Tuesday. If anything urgent comes up in the meantime, feel free to let me know. Best regards, John. And that's the 5 expansions that I think everybody should have. But let me show you how I created this last one. So I type vPro here in the search, And I'm going to do this. Yeah. So for this expansion here, I would use this function, the single line field, and that allows you to type in the name of the recipient. And for the add 5 days here, this is found right here in the calculations. You'd add the add the number of days. So if I were to go here and then click, where is it? Right here. Sorry. Add 5 days. I would simply type in the number of days forward that I want to go and hit OK. But I'm going to cancel for now. And then this is important. You have to select the day format. For that, you have to choose one of these. Yeah. And then once expanded, it'll calculate the day you land on. And that is the last expansion that I have for this video. And one more time, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And also, if you would like a discount for TextExpander, please click on my link down below, and you can get up to 20% off of your TextExpander subscription. And I'll see you all in the next video.